In the fading light of a turbulent era, some men are forged in fire, others in the quiet discipline of the soul. Meet Akio Mori, a samurai whose story is etched not in grand monuments, but in the silent steel of his blade and the unwavering resolve in his eyes. Standing at 5'11", Akio's lean, muscular frame is a testament to a lifetime of training. His straight black hair is pulled back into a simple topknot, marked by a single streak of silver, a quiet reminder of battles fought and burdens carried. His olive skin bears a faint scar, a line from his cheekbone to his jaw, telling a tale of survival and loss. But it's his deep-set gray eyes that truly define him, calm, thoughtful, and holding the weight of a world he's sworn to protect. He wears a weathered indigo kimono, practical and unadorned, save for the faded family crest of 3 interlocking paulownia leaves stitched on his sleeve, a symbol of a name he seeks to restore. At his waist rest his katana and wakizashi, their fitting simple but meticulously cared for, a small woven charm hanging from the scabbard, a whisper of a forgotten peace. Born to a samurai family of modest standing, Akio was raised on the pillars of duty, honor, and humility. His training under his father and a stern kenjutsu master honed his skills, shaping him into a swordsman known not for flashy moves, but for precise, disciplined strikes. When his family's honor was tarnished by political intrigue, Akio remained, choosing the difficult path of rebuilding their name through quiet service and unwavering loyalty. He proved his mettle during a village uprising, where he earned his scar and a reputation for being a steady hand in the heart of chaos. Though the victory came at the cost of losing comrades he held dear. Akio is a man of few words, an observer who prefers action to speech. His wit is dry and surfaces rarely, like a flicker of light in the shadows. Though he appears stoic, a deep empathy lies beneath, shielded by ironclad control. He constantly navigates the treacherous waters between his personal pride and his sworn duty, between avenging his family and upholding the greater good. This quiet warrior has a soft spot for the most vulnerable, often seen discreetly helping the children and elders in his lord's village. His mastery of kenjutsu is centered on counterattacks and precision, allowing him to disarm an opponent with minimal force. He is a skilled horseman and tactician, but also knows his way around the subtleties of court etiquette and the quiet art of calligraphy. Before he sleeps, he finds solace in the ritual of cleaning his swords, a moment of meditation. He carries a folded haiku from his late mother and honors his fallen friends by abstaining from meat on certain days. His short-term goal is to restore his family's honor and secure his lord's trust. But his long-term dream is simpler: to find peace, perhaps one day teaching the next generation not just how to wield a sword, but the ethics of a true samurai. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the life of Akio Mori. If you were captivated by his story, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into compelling characters. We'll see you next time.